to us this evening as a new transplant to Miami, Florida. Her hair is done by the lovely Miss Erica Norell. She leaves jewelry this evening is done by Las Vegas Costuming. I don't have a sheet, but this evening TP's lovely gown was made by a lovely Latino designer in Miami. Accented with her lovely bustle on her bodacious Latina booty. Let's give it up for our contestant number 1 in evening.